In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic from Pinterest, because Pinterest has really millions of users and they have a lot of traffic. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. So let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first guys is you need just to go to Google and search for Pinterest. Click on the first link over here, sign up by using the email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, and make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. What you need to do, you just need to click over here on home feed, then click over here on create pin. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page over here. So for me, for example, I want to promote Amazon affiliate links. This method can work for any type of affiliate links you want to promote. Okay, so you just need to follow those steps. So for me, for example, I want to promote Amazon affiliate links. So I want to promote this products. For example, you can promote physical products, you can promote services, any affiliate links. Like I said, you can just use this method. Okay, so what you need to do is you need first to upload the picture about your affiliate link service or product that you want to promote. So for me, for example, I'm gonna upload this picture to my laptop because we need picture. You should use picture. So for me, I'm gonna name it this one, for example. Okay, this, for example, save. What you need to do next, you go to Pinterest, click over here and upload your service picture or physical product picture that you are promoting. Okay, so let me see to find my picture. Okay, this is my picture. For example, I will click on open about my affiliate link product that I want to promote. Your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down. What you need to do next is you need to put your title over here. Okay, so just go back to the service or product you are promoting, copy his title like this, go back to Pinterest, put this title over here. You need description, go back to the products or service you are promoting again and copy his description. So for me, I'm gonna copy this description here like this. I will go back to Pinterest, I will put this description here. Scroll down. What you need to do next is you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, I will go back to Amazon for me and I'm gonna copy my affiliate link. Okay, so I should find my affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. I'm already using Amazon affiliate links. I will go back to Pinterest and for you, put your affiliate link here. Okay, this is my affiliate link. What you need to do next, click over here on choose a board, click on create a board. If you are new, choose just give it a name. You just need to name your board and it will be over here. You can create as many as you want. So I'm gonna choose this one. I already created this for Amazon products. What you need to do next is you need to put your tags here. You need to put keyword about your service or your product. So you can just, so for me, I'm gonna just use those keyword over here in my title. You will put those keyword here. What you need to do next, click over here on publish. And here you go. Your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. This is my, as you can see, this is the picture about my affiliate products. This is my affiliate link over here, Amazon affiliate link, and this is my title description. It's really easy and simple, and you can use this method for any type of affiliate links you want to promote. Okay, so that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching guys. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.